With all the hate the humble tea bag receives in the tea community, you would have to wonder if there is any good use for them. Well, it turns out that there is a way to get good tea out of these little guys. Welcome back to Beyond the Bag. Today I'm going to show you how to get good tea out of a tea bag. The first step is to pick a good tea bag. While the phrase "you get what you pay for" is not entirely true, there is an element of it that is. I would say a good rule of thumb is not to buy the cheapest possible tea bag you find, but at the same time, you will find diminishing returns as you move up the price scale. A good mid-tier tea brand like Twinings will do just fine. Next up is to make sure that you are using fresh water at the right temperature. If it has been a minute since you changed the water in your kettle, do so. Next, make sure to let the water get all the way up to boiling. Turn off the kettle, let the bubbling subside, and then pour in the water. From there, bob the tea bag around and let it steep for 3 to 5 minutes depending on what is recommended on the box. Make sure not to forget it, as oversteeping will result in the tea getting very bitter. Once you have reached the recommended steeping time, promptly remove the tea bag. Allow the cup to cool if it is still too hot to sip, and once the right temperature is reached, you are ready to enjoy your well-made cup of tea from a tea bag. Give it a try and let me know what you think down in the comments below. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our future videos. You can also find additional content on our social media and blog.